representing from Iloilo, si Pare. Shoutout Pare.
Shoutout Tabas Aklan.
Oh, yun oh. Siya ang chef natin. Ito ang head master chef. Si Bobing. Dinuguan na tinitira. Yun. Panalo yan basta.
Ayun.
May gata ah.
Oh, lutong Bicol.
Yun.
Pero Cagayano ako, Cagayano.
Bicol style. You know, lechon. Nawalalay. Sino may birthday? Ay, nandun pa sa loob.
Pipig pa tayo, ano? Ano na lang tayo? 5. Ano target mo? Ano target mo? Ato. Wala pa ha? Wala pa. Joke, ano, Robert, pag-videohan. Napatay na, may natin. Pawiin talaga.
Una sa lahat, pinabato ko kayo ng magandang hapon. Message ko po kay Mama.
Huwag na umiyak. Huwag na umiyak. Huwag umiyak.
Thank you, Mama, pagtanggap sa akin. Salamat sa kabaitan mo. Salamat sa pagmamahal. Wish ko kay God, bigyan ka pa ng dobling 60 pa na birthday mo. At magandang pangatawan niya, lagi ka lang i-guide sa araw-araw ng pamumuhay. Ayan lang, Ma. I love you so much, Mama.
Thank you, Mom China, for the heartwarming message. Now, let's proceed to...
Pero I'm being thankful po na I got invited to this celebration of your 60th birthday po. So, papasalamat lang po kasi imbitado po. Even though hindi naman po na related, but message ko lang po is sana po still healthy po your 60th birthday. At sana po magpatuloy po yung mga next birthday niyo po and still strong po and never give up your dreams po. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Next, Ate Pet.
Hindi, ate Klani, hindi. Hawakan mo muna. Oh, iyak pa yan. Walang iyak.
Yan, ibigay mo sa akin.
Birthday po, Mama.
Walang iyak.
Sa pag-aaral niyo po sa akin, sana wala ako 4 years. Kami salamat naman sa birthday po, Mother. Thank you. Now, Ate Evelyn.
Happy birthday, Ligaya. Sana Ligaya, bigyan ka pa ng pangalaman ng Diyos na mahabang buhay. Para tayo magsama-sama mga best friend natin sa balon. Happy birthday, Ligaya.
Nakala ko kasi ni Pulpan.
Okay, next, Ate Flory.
Ay, ano? Ayan, kalog ang lola niyo, ha? Happy birthday, Ligaya! Sama ng Diyos, nakarating na ako ito. Thank you. Sana bigyan mo ng maraming birthday at araw na ito. Huwag mo pabayaan yung sarili mo. Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday, Lola. Today is such a special day because we are celebrating not just your birthday, but also your amazing life and everything you've done for us. I just want you to know how much you truly mean to me. Thank you for all the love, gesture given to our family. He always been there for us, no matter what, guiding us, supporting us, and making sure we feel safe, loved, and cared for every single day. I really admire your strength, kindness, and the way you always put others before yourself. You have such a warm, loving heart, and it shows in everything you do. You've taught us so many important lessons in life, not just through your words, but through your actions. Because of you, we learn how to be kind, respectful, and strong even though during difficult times. I will always treasure all the memories we've shared together, from the simple moments at home to the times you made us laugh, comfort us when we were sad, and supported us when we needed to the most. Those memories are very special to me, and I will carry them with me forever. As you celebrated this beautiful milestone of 6 years, I pray that God continues to bless you with good health, happiness, and more years filled with love and joy. May your days always be full of peace, laughter, and the same happiness you give to everyone around you. You truly deserve all the wonderful things in this world. Thank you for being such an incredible grandma or Lola. I am so lucky and blessed to have you in my life. I love you more than words can explain. Enjoy your special day and enjoy yourself.
Love you, Lola. Ada picture na. Picture siya na. Doon, sa pagkakas ano, Ate Popo.
Okay, thank you very much for your messages. Pwede po bang photo-op sa mga nag-message?
Ano ka lang, Lola?
Happy birthday, and thank you so much. I love you.
Okay, wala ba tayong mga kamay? Thank you, Ate Sheena, for your very nakakaiyak na kanta para kay Mami Ligaya. Okay, next, let's proceed naman po sa mga Okay.
Okay lang, birthday naman.
Kailangan pantay-pantay. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, sige, sige. Bawal umamit ang kamay. Pwede humiga, pwede umupo. Ayan, sige, sige. Ayan, sige. Sige pa. Sige, pwede humiga. Sige, malapit na, malapit na. Sige pa, sige pa. Sige pa, konting dalaw pa. Sige pa. Sige pa, sige pa. Ayan, ayan. Malapit na, malapit na.
Sumapit sa shoot!
Okay, ayun na. We have a winner. Si Kuya.
Sumapit sa pantalon!
Wait. Inom na lang, wala nang butas. Saglit lang ha, saglit lang. Saglit lang. Inumin na. Wait. Okay. Saglit lang.
Happy birthday!
Asan?
More birthdays to come. Salamat po. Sige.
Sige, kain na kayo.
Happy birthday! Salamat! Yan, banat bay!
It was yesterday's day when the finally came. Oh, I must have loved only to find you.
Ako na ko ngayon.
Pwede naman doon, parehas lang naman, pero may ganun.
Asa mo kumukuha na ni? Ako ito, ako paper plate.